And there you have it, your ladies and gentlemen. Your ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what I just said there. That's your toast and egg.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now, on the menu for you guys today at home, I'm gonna be making an egg sandwich. Egg sandwich with a bit of mortadella in there and all. I've seen the video go around a few times, so I thought I want to give it a try. It is going to be my first time trying, so let's see how we do, or let's see how I do. But before we go any further, I need you guys to smash the like button and make sure you hit the subscribe button at the end of the video too, eh? Stay tuned. Right, ladies and gentlemen, first step is get your frying pan there ready, get a bowl. I will be using 6 eggs. This fly is getting on my nerves. Right, what you want to do is crack an egg. Got 6 of them. And excuse me if you end up seeing a bloody fly in the camera. The windows and doors are all open. Coming through, it's a hot day. So yeah, we've got flies coming in. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to be too much or not, but like I said, it's my first time doing this, so I'm just going to go ahead with it. And as you know, I don't like small portions. So that's 6 eggs. Just to season it, just a pinch of salt. Nothing else, no pepper. Put that in, and then what you want to do is whisk it. Get it all nice. Come on, mate. Get a move on. Get a move on. Today would be nice. What you reckon, eh? This is taking forever, son. There we have it. Voila. I'm just going to move this to a side. Right. Give that a quick rub down, the mess that I just made. Right. Oh no. Here's what you want to do. Take that out. That goes in the sink. Put that there. That there. Now, turn on the heat. Full capacity. I'm going to put a pinch of oil, just a little bit so it doesn't stick, and all you want to do is just get this bad boy and just pour it all in, right? I think I should have used more eggs, but there you go. Now, what you want to do, put the bread in, use a fork, flip it over so it gets nice and juicy. Yeah, get that done, flip it over. Oh, there we go. Now let that sit until it cooks. So now that it's been a few minutes, got the lid, take it off. It's pretty much so. Yeah, really, I just hope it hasn't stuck to the pan. I really hope. I hope the oil did its thing. Right, and now we shall make an attempt. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Just go all the way around. Oh yeah, there we go. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Whew, that was job done. Right, now, where was the bread? Let that side cook for like a minute. All I'm going to do is turn this off actually, because we don't really need the heat that much. Now, I will put 2 slices of cheese. Yeah, you can put your burger cheese, or you can put your, you know, cheddar cheese or feta cheese. Feta cheese, that would have been nice actually. It's a shame I didn't have any. Yeah, put some cheese on there. Put that on there and all. And now a couple of slices of mortadella. Yeah. And that, done. Now, what you want to do is flip the egg. That side as well. And now, you want to try and fold it onto itself. There you go. Let that sit there for, oh, we should just put it back on just to toast that side as well. Right. Does it need a bit of tidying up, ladies and gentlemen? I mean, that looks like a bit of a soggy bread, so that's why we're just going to put it right in the middle. Toast it up a little bit, and yeah. Right, so it's been about a minute or so. And what you want to try and do is, it sounds crispy, is flip it over as well. There we go. Look at that. Press it down. Yeah, crispy it is. Lovely jubbly. Right, I've just turned that off, and now I'm gonna get this. Put this bad boy on here, just to cut it up. Right. You just want to cut it down the middle, diagonally, straight, whatever you want to do it, however you want to do it. It's entirely up to you. Look at that melted cheese, beautiful, beautiful. Now you're going to grab your plate. I just had some parsley in the fridge to decorate this. I didn't have anything else, to be honest with you. I do apologise. Yeah. Just want to put one here. And then put another one on top. Just like that. And there you have it, your ladies and gentlemen. Your ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what I just said there. That's your toast and egg breakfast. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and drop me a like, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up